On the left of the national road, young trees were planted. On the right of the national road, there is high-speed way and mountains. The harvested cotton has been packed into rows and then loaded in trucks. This part of the cotton field haven't been harvested, but that part has been harvested. The majority of the cotton is harvested by the kind of grain harvesting machine, rather by manually. And I saw lots of the new cars are transported by trucks from China to Kazakhstan. All along the road are cotton fields, and the cotton roll package are marked with numbers. Here are some beautiful trees between the cotton fields and the road. A truck of full load of packed cotton rolls is driving. I'll have beef noodles for lunch in this restaurant. Beef noodles, cold vegetable dish, leek and egg pie. The road to Jinghe County. Here is a park in Jinghe County, but I will not stay here. I will ride until sunset. Also the same park. I bought food and drink in this underground supermarket. There is a bookstore, a shopping street, a shopping mall, variety of shops, and franchise clothes shops. Here is a tourism site, and on my right it's high-speed way, but the bridge tunnel is buried by fence. I'll stay somewhere else. I found a bridge tunnel. I will check it up. I think this will be fun, as long as vehicles won't pass through the bridge tunnel. I'm cooking rice dumplings for dinner. It's rice ball with black sesame stuffing. I'm boiling the water now. Put the rice dumplings into the boiling water. Start to eat.